Mama's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we're gonna make tea biscuits cheesecake. So let's get right into it, guys. You know Mama we doesn't like to waste time. And for the ingredients, you'll need cream cheese, egg yolk, eggs, tea biscuits, chocolate. I'm using Kedem, guys, sour cream, melted butter, vanilla, sugar, and heavy cream. First, I preheated my oven at 325 Fahrenheit. I have my pan here. It's a 9-inch spring foam. I wrapped it with a heavy jute tin foil and lightly I spread it with a non-stick spray. So we're gonna set this aside and move on to do the crust. Place the biscuits in the food processor and pulse until the biscuits are fine crumbs. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna pour the crumbs into a mixing bowl and add a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna stir in melted butter and mix well to combine. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan. Press it like so. I like using a spoon, guys. You have to press it firm, just like so. Now we're gonna bake this in a preheated oven for 12 minutes. Next, we're gonna work on our filling. Make sure, guys, all your ingredients are at room temperature. This is very crucial when it comes to making a cheesecake. We're gonna beat cream cheese and sour cream until smooth and creamy. Now I'm gonna scrape my bowl. This helps incorporate all the mixed ingredients to ensure that there are no lumps of raw ingredients in the mixture. So make sure, guys, you keep scraping your bowl. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. Then I'm gonna scrape my bowl again. Next, we're gonna add eggs one at a time and gently mix them in until just combined. Next, I'm gonna add my yolks one at a time. Next, I'm gonna add vanilla. Lastly, I'm gonna add heavy cream. I'm gonna scrape my bowl for the last time. We're gonna pour the filling into the prepared pan. Just like so, guys. Now we're gonna sprinkle the top with crushed tea biscuits. Then we're gonna place our cheesecake in a water bath. This helps the cheesecakes to cook evenly without overcooking. Make sure the water is also hot, guys. We're gonna bake our cheesecake at 325 Fahrenheit for 1 hour 20 minutes. To check the doneness of the cheesecake, insert a toothpick in the middle of the cheesecake, and when it comes out clean, your cheesecake is done. Now we're gonna chill it in the fridge for 6 hours. We're gonna finish our cheesecake with chocolate glaze, guys, just like so. Just like so. Next, I'm gonna pipe whipped cream to decorate. Just like so, guys. So, guys. And finish it up with the strawberry. Just like so. Time to taste. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our newly uploaded videos. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.